To get started, Premiere already provided us with some default workspaces. You can see these in the top toolbar. If you don't see this toolbar, just head over to the Window menu and check Spaces. Now let's say that you're working on multiple monitors, or that you just can't seem to find your way in one of these existing workspaces. Well, then it's nice to create your own. You can either drag any of the panels to another place, close specific panels, or add them by going to the Window menu and selecting the panels that you want to add. If you don't like the new workspace that you've made, or you have accidentally closed a panel such as your timeline, you can always reset it. And you can do this by going to the menu, clicking on Window Workspaces, and then say Reset to Saved Layouts. Alright, we know how to add, replace, and close panels. Let's create a workspace that works best for us. Now there's actually no right or wrong answer to this, but try to keep your workspace as organized and clean as possible. If you never use a specific panel, just keep it close. Then to save your workspace, go to the menu, Window Workspaces, Save as New Workspace, then give it a name, and there you have it. Your own saved workspace. If you want, you can create multiple workspaces and switch between them while editing. For example, I like to have one set up where I can easily cut my videos and mix audio. To do this, head over to the Window menu, Workspaces, Edit Workspaces, and delete ones that you don't want to keep in your toolbar. Don't forget to click OK to save these changes, and this is looking a lot better.